Hello and welcome to this short video on a baby 5/8 inch stud with 1/4-20 female thread. This baby 5/8 inch stud with 1/4-20 female thread enables you to convert a 1/4-20 male thread into a baby stud. On the top is a baby knurled pin with a 1/4-20 female thread. And on the bottom, you'll also find a 1/4-20 female thread. This pin also has two holes perpendicular to the stud designed for safety pins or tightening. Let's turn our grip arm into an audio boom to suspend a field recorder in front of our talent. A C-stand kit is ideal because it allows you to easily position a field recorder anywhere. Screw one side of the 1/4-20 male thread adapter into the back of the field recorder. Now screw the 1/4-20 female side of the stud onto the other side of the 1/4-20 male thread adapter. Loosen the grip head at the end of the grip arm, insert the pin into the baby opening and secure in place. Let's loosen the handle of our grip head, holding our grip arm, position the arm where you'd like, and then tighten the handle to lock in place. Finally, adjust the height of your stand and the final position of your grip arm and you are ready to record. Now that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. When it comes to your image making dreams and your grip equipment, at Kupo, we like to say, never let go.